Hello students. Today in this session I am going to explain iterative statements in Python. So let's know about iterative statements. What's the iterative statements? Iterative statements are the statements that keep repeating themselves as long as the given condition is true. These statements are also known as repetitive statement or looping statements, or simply you can say loops. As long as condition becomes false, the loop terminates automatically. Now take one real life example to understand the concept of a loop. Suppose your sport teacher instruct you to run and take 5 rounds of the playground to warm up. So before starting running, you will fix a starting point. On reaching the starting point again, you complete one round. Then you take the second round and so on. So in this way you keep track of a number of rounds until the process of taking rounds gets completed. Now let us understand the concept of looping with the help of the same example. In this we have declared a variable that is C. It is a control variable. So at the starting you will initialize the value of C is 0. When you complete the first round, the value of C becomes 1. After the second round, its value becomes C equal to C plus 1. Like this, value of C will be increased one by one. Like first 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this, you can keep a record of moving. After incrementing, the control variable C will be checked against the maximum number of repetition, which is 5 in this example. Now understand the same example with the help of flowchart. What is a flowchart? Flowchart is a pictorial representation of any problem. So this is the flowchart of the above problem that we have discussed already. First is start, then take starting point at C. Here we have declared starting point. So at the starting, what is the value of C? It is 0. Now in the next box you are checking the condition, that is if value of C is greater than equal to 5. If this condition is true, this value is incremented C equal to C plus 1, and if this condition is false, the program will be terminated. So in this flow chart we can see first we have declared variable C at 0, then we have checked condition, it should be less than 5, and then if this value is less than 5 it will be incremented one by one, and when it will reach at 5 it will stop the process. This is the flow chart of the same problem. What is the advantage of using looping technique? It helps to reduce the number of instructions, and by using iterative statement we can reduce memory space also. Every loop works with a variable that is known as control variable. An iterative statement is based on 3 values. First is start value. It is also known as initial value. For example, C equal to 0. Next is test condition. Test condition, whenever you will check the condition, for example, value of C should be less than equal to 5. Next is step value. What is step value? When you increase or decrease the value, like C equal to C plus 1. This is step value. The initial value is assigned to the control variable at the beginning of the loop. Then the final value of control variable is specified, and finally step value of the control variable is defined. It is either incremented or decremented. It depends on the condition at each step to reach the final value. In the next video, I will explain 2 types of iterative statements. Thanks for watching this video.